Now, these are always popular.
Are they?
We've got Gordon, we've got Henry, we've got James, we've got Edward out there, we've got Duck. So we've got Bachmann Thomas back in stock.
Wow.
We got a delivery of Bachmann in.
When?
This week.
Why?
Actually, it was the end of last week.
End of last
After
week.
the live. So we've got Bachmann Thomas back in stock.
Wow.
Now, these are always popular.
Are they?
We've got Gordon, we've got Henry, we've got James, we've got Edward out there, we've got Duck.
Who's Duck?
Duck, what kind of loco is Duck?
It's a green one.
What kind of locomotive is Duck?
Great Western.
What kind of locomotive is Duck?
It's a steam engine.
Yeah, that'll do. He's a pannier tank.
He's a panettone.
Panettone.
He's a panettone, everybody. Everybody, Duck is for panettone.
So yeah, these have come in, plus the rolling stock, both freight and passenger. We've got some accessories like Harold the helicopter and Birdie the bus. Your favourite.
When are we getting the N scale ones?
We have Gordon in N scale.
We do have Gordon in N scale.
We also got the Skarloey Railway locomotives as well. So the 009 ones.
Mm-hmm.
So that's 00 scale on 9mm track to represent narrow gauge. We've got Skarloey, couple of Renaeus's, Peter Sam.
Who's that?
They're the Skarloey locos.
Oh, they have the Thomas faces on them, don't they?
They have faces on them, yes. They are
Yeah.
part of the Thomas and Friends range.
Thomas and Friends.
But these are quite reliable locomotives, funnily enough, like because they are aimed at children or the younger audience, 3+.
Children.
So they don't have
children.
They don't have all the break off, like all the fine detailing on them. They didn't in the show either. So yeah, they're quite well made. They're robust.
But they work.
They do. A lot
They
of
go
people-
around your layout. Are they DC?
Yep.
Can you make them DCC?
Yep.
They are DCC ready.
Nope.
No?
Nope. They are hardwired decoders for these. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, these have got
It
upgrades on them.
says next
18. They didn't used to be.
There you go. Good thing I read it. Otherwise,
Awesome.
you would have given them false information.
Cool.
Well, there you
We're
go.
looking a bit dark.
Yeah,
You got a
well,
light off. Cool. Apart from that, we did get... What else did we get this week? Did we get anything else?
Oh, you got the N packs.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I forgot to bring them. Oh, sorry. I was talking to customers.
There you
Yeah.
go. You got the customers.
Are you okay?
I'm giving you some light.
Oh, okay. The Auscision N sets arrived. So we've got them in
N scale.
Vic Rail, Vline, Tangerine, but not the orange and grey because they sold out.
Yeah.
VLP, which is Blood and Bone, and PTV, or the grey, Mark IV, grey and white and red.
Yeah.
But no PTV, that also sold out. Didn't make it to the stores.
God damn
We've
it.
got a small N class restock as well. So we do have PTV ends and orange and grey ends in. Pretty much that'll be it, I think, after this.
They only made 50 of each. So
Not
get in
enough.
while they're hot.
Absolutely. So that's what's going on in my world.
Yeah. That's about it.
What else you got?
That's it.
That's it.
I've gone through.
Am I the last person?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Anything else, anyone?
What's on for your weekend?
Working.
You building anything?
No, I'm working.
Sick. Cool.
Valentine's Day. Oh, we're going to do a love thing.
Oh, were we?
No.
Oh, love you, Gordon. Yeah.
So everybody, happy Valentine's Day for tomorrow. Be good.
Or
Don't
not.
or not.
Do whatever you want. You have free will.
Yeah, it's the purge. It's the purge on Valentine's Day.
Good
How
grief.
horrible. But yeah, everyone have a good weekend. Let's wrap it up, shall we?
All right.
Yeah, it's been pretty good.
Has it?
Yeah, it's been a good live.
That's
Carl
awesome.
was interested in this one.
What's that?
It's a Messerschmitt.
Cool.
Yeah. And yeah, we'll get back to work. How's it sound?
Yeah, it sounds pretty good.
All right.